Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we are going to take a look at the Oppo A58 4G, a new budget smartphone from Oppo that was released in July 2023 that offer a good display and a great specs as well. But is this phone worth your money? Come on guys, join with me and let's find it out. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with its design. The Oppo A58 4G has a sleek design, comfortable to hold and use thanks to its curved edges. It has a plastic frame and plastic back as well. I like the design of this phone. It is slim and light, weighing 192 grams and 8mm thickness. At the right side here are the power button integrated with a fingerprint scanner along with a volume rocker, a USB-C port, speaker grill, a microphone and a 3.5 headphone jack at the bottom, a dual SIM tray at the left and supported with SD card for memory expansion, and another speaker grill on top for a stereo speaker. The phone comes in two colors, matte finish glowing black and dazzling green, which is shiny and fingerprint magnet. The phone also has a water drop notch at the top of the screen for the selfie camera. Moving on to the display. This phone has a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 392 ppi that supports 60 Hz refresh rate. The display supports 550 nits of typical brightness and 680 nits of peak brightness. The display is bright and colorful with good viewing angles and contrast. The bezels are slim as well, giving the phone an 86.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85, a 12nm chipset, which is an octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.0 GHz combined with Mali G52 GPU, which is average performance and can handle casual gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The phone also has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD card slot. The Oppo A58 runs on Android 13 out of the box with ColorOS 13.1 on top. The software is smooth and responsive with some useful features and customization options. Now let's move on to the camera department. This phone only has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, which is lack of ultra-wide camera. The main camera can capture detailed and sharp photos in good lighting condition, with accurate colors and dynamic range. The depth sensor helps to create a nice bokeh effect for portrait shots. The camera also supports night mode, time-lapse, panorama, and pro mode. Now the front camera is an 8MP shooter with f2.0 aperture that can take decent selfies and video calls. The camera also some notifications and face unlock features. Finally, the battery performance. The battery life of this Oppo A58 is impressive, thanks to the large 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging. The phone can easily last for a day or more on a moderate usage and can be charged from 0 to 56% in just 30 minutes with the included 33 watts fast charger in the box. The Oppo A58 4G is priced at 669 dirhams here in Dubai or around 10,000 pesos in the Philippines, which is quite affordable for what it offers. The phone has a nice design, a big and vibrant display, a decent and average processor, ample memory of storage, a great camera with a stereo speaker, and a long-lasting battery life. However, the phone also has some drawbacks that you should consider before buying it. The build quality is okay, the chipset is not very suitable for running heavy games or applications, the front camera is only 8MP, which is average as well. The body is made of plastic, which is not very premium and prone to scratches or dirt. So the main question is, should you buy this Oppo A58 4G? Well, that depends on your needs and preferences. If you are looking for a budget smartphone that can handle your daily tasks and take good photos, then the Oppo A58 4G might be a good choice for you. But if you're looking for a more high-end smartphone that can offer better performance, better display quality, selfie camera, and more storage, then you might want to look elsewhere. Alright guys, that's it for today's review of the Oppo A58 4G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.